Good morning, all of you. So, children, as you all know, we are done with the chapter reading and our assignments of chapter number 2 of civics. Now, we are going to begin with the question and answers of the same chapter. So, all of you must take out your books, notebooks, and pens. Just look at your screen. In the same manner, you all have done your previous chapters. Same way, you will do today's chapter also. On the very top, you will put the chapter heading, chapter number 2, civics. Just below it, leaving a line, you will write down the name of the chapter, diversity and discrimination. Then after leaving another line, you will write down the first heading, that is short question answers. The first heading, short question answers. After this, start writing the very first question. All of you can refer to your screens for the spellings. Do not note down the wrong spellings. First question is define prejudice. Write down the answer. Prejudice is forming opinions about a person or group without much knowledge. When we form an opinion without having proper knowledge of concerned person, we see them negatively and inferior to others. I repeat, prejudice is forming opinions about a person or a group without much knowledge. When we form an opinion without having proper knowledge of concerned person, we see them negatively and inferior to others. After this, leaving a line, children, write down question number 2. How does stereotypes differ from discrimination? Write down the answer. Stereotype is fitting people of a particular group into one fixed image on the basis. Stereotype is fitting people of particular group into one fixed image on the basis of preconceived opinions. You can look the spellings on your screen. Preconceived opinions, whereas discrimination refers to the practice of treating a person or a group in an unfair way. Treating a person or a group in an unfair way. Leave a line, write down question number 3. Who was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? Who was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? Those who are left behind, those who have not completed up to question number 2 should should pause the video and complete their work. Then only move on to the next question, children. Question number 3. Who was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? Answer. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was born on 14th April 1891. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was born on 14th April 1891, full stop. He is considered to be the father of the Indian Constitution, and he is considered to be the father of Indian Constitution and is also known as a great scholar, and a social worker, full stop. As a Dalit leader, he fought for the Dalits to save them from atrocities and uplift them. Children, the spellings, those who you do not know should write the correct spelling from the screen. Don't write down the wrong spellings in your notebook. As a Dalit leader, he fought for the Dalits to save them from the atrocities and uplift them. Write down question number 4. What does our constitution says about equality? Why is it important for all people to be equal? Question mark. What does our constitution says about equality? Question mark. Why is it important for all people to be equal? Start writing the answer. Our constitution has given right to equality. You will write down right to equality in inverted commas and in capital letters, just as it written on your screen. See it and write it in the same manner. Our constitution has given right to equality to all its citizens, full stop. According to this, comma, every citizen is equal before the law and has equal opportunities in every field. Now you will write down from the next line, next paragraph. It is important for all to be equal so that people can work together towards the development of the country. So these were your short question answers, children. All of you must complete this work, all the 4 short question answers, so that you can begin with the long question answers. And along with writing the answers, you all should also start learning them.